Hi guys, welcome back to your own channel guys. You can see that USD versus CAD guys, what we have discussed in previous week, that only we am doing analysis. You can see here I have told you if it will take support somewhere here. Okay guys, otherwise if it will crosses this area, then you can go for upside momentum. Okay guys, one-sided momentum we have captured. After that only here only you can see that process. Okay guys, at this point only, at this point, somewhere here at this point also you have got, so you have to keep your SL at this position, or if you have bought somewhere here only, this is the green strong candle, at this place only you have to keep your SL. You can see that first target reached, second target reached, third target reached, fourth target. After fourth target only reached, you can see that market is continuously facing the sellers. You can see that first time, second time, third time. Okay guys, this is the level week. I have also made a video on a price action guys, go and check out there are so much learning in about this thing. So this is the level has been weak. Okay guys, after that it came downside once again here, once again tried, fourth time tried. Okay guys, this is the fifth time. After this is broken, you can see that one-sided momentum has been came. Okay guys, we have captured this first target guys. Our very big and huge profit has been taken here only guys, so we have not traded at this place. Okay guys, so this is the one-sided momentum. You can see that our accuracy is 90 to 95%. Yeah, I have also tell you the here why you have to buy here, and you have also captured this position also. You can see here, this is the cross-end, means this is acting as a supporting area now. So you can see here exactly first time came, second time. Okay guys, this is the buying zone area. What you have to do is that you have to keep your long position at this place you have buy, and your SL will be the very small, not at this place or this place, little bit more at this green candle is low, at this low. You can see that one-sided momentum you have been captured. Okay guys, we can see next major forex pair is that I will just remove it. So what we have captured, I will also explain you that too. Okay guys, let it be USD versus CHF. You can see here I have told you if this will be taken support, exactly taking support, or okay you have not taken because here is so much volatility. Here exactly taken support, goes upside. You can see that our first target, second target, third target. Our third target only I have told you, please book your profit at second target only 50%, at least 50 to 70%. Okay, let it be here second time. This is the way I will exit, because here only I will exit. Why is that? Because this is first time came, second time. So second time always, if this wanted to break, then second time it will goes and make a green big candle. But what happened, it taken resistance here somewhere only, so I have booked at this third point only. Our whatever I have kept my SL at this position only, I am exited. Okay guys, after that I will show you in the 15-minute time frame. Okay guys, somewhere here only what happened is that I have shorted the market. Okay guys, taken a short position because I know that if I win, then I will get it. Because of this green candle, exactly somewhere here only I have shorted the market. I have kept my SL at this position because of just a second, because of here you can see that continuously buyer defending, seller will defending this area, because first time, second time has been defended. So I have taken my position. I am patiently consolidating, waiting. You can say that boom, big candle, big candle. Somewhere here only I have booked my all position. I tell you frankly, I will just shoot it on 1 hourly time frame. Okay, here somewhere here only I have booked my whole profit at this green candle, or somewhere here only I have booked. You can see that I have only wanted 1 is to 7 risk to reward, but what we have got is bigger than 1 is to 7. We have got at least 1 is, so you can see here guys, we have got almost jackpot 1 is to 13 guys. Okay guys, after this also you can see here guys, exactly here price action making. I have told you also, I have made a dedicated video on price action. You can check out exactly, it has been crosses this low, one-sided momentum. We have captured this too guys. In upside moment also we have captured, in downside this position also, this position. We have got 3 position in USD versus CHF. Okay guys, we can see for next major forex pair is AUD versus US dollar guys. AUD versus US dollar, you can see here guys, exactly here only come, take a resistance, one-sided momentum, first target, second, third. all target reached. After that only it came downside. You can see here I have told you price action. Here only price action has been made going upside momentum. You can see that this is acting as now as a supporting area. Here only we have triggered our position. You can see that one-sided momentum here came. We have not reached our target. Here only, exactly here only we have reached our target, and I have booked my profit. After that somewhere here only it came once again downside. At this green candle only we have shorted our position and kept SL at this position only, because we don't want to take any bigger risk. So we have not taken bigger risk and taken short. At this position only I have booked my whole position. So we have got 3 trades, guys. 3 trades, both given us very good and huge profit, guys. You can also check out my previous videos also. I have not done any editing. But if you like this video, guys, please share with your friends and families, guys. Thank you, guys.